Let me remove the mask. Hello, everyone. So, uh, good day to everyone. I can see two people have joined yet. Uh, so, this is the second session of the training material we created yesterday, on Friday, actually. That was the first session. As we already discussed, every session will be recorded. Whoever has not seen the first session, they can always go back and check the YouTube playlist, which you can get from our support team or from our website, probably. This is the second session. The last session, we created a new project from the scratch. I'm going to share my screen first. That would be a good idea. Yes. I hope my screen and I'm audible. Can somebody confirm if I'm audible or not?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you, Palvi. So I will just go to VirtuBox website. I will start from there. Let us minimize this. Yeah, this is probably okay. Uh, so, so I had created an account in the last session, and I'm going to continue on the same account and add more pages and see how what I can do today. Okay. All right. So the project was Ashish demo, and on the website you can see the link of the project I have created, and this is the website we finished yesterday, last session. So I had a page, the landing page of the website, which has about us, some gallery images, some advantage information, and there's a image banner. Okay. And there was one more page which we added with on the about us. Yes. On this page, we had added a link to another page, and this page has FAQ and image gallery. Okay, an image gallery is linked to another page again. So this is a kind of two pages linking together. Today I'm gonna add a new page, and I will maybe call it as a let's say landing page for selling a product, and let us try to make that page. I have some fair idea about how the page should look like, but we will build it together and we'll see how to proceed. So let us put the page title as new product. Okay, fair. Just save. So the page name is new product right now. Okay, the page is completely empty, and the page URL is again slash new product. I can always go back and change the URL if needed. Uh, right now, I'm just keeping it new product. And let us first link this page from the home page so that I can go to the page at least. So let's go to home, and it has about us, and there is a gallery, and there is a home. Let's say in this carousel where I have two sections, I will add a third one, and there I will have a new product banner. I will go to home. So all this content, how I created, was explained in the last session. I'm just going to add more. So there was a home here, there was a about us here. I'm going to add a new section, no image, only text, and I will call it as a new product. Okay, and I will just write the button title as buy, and I'll put the page title as page as new product, which means there will be a text. I'll go here. There will be a text. I can add a subtitle and a button. So I have added a title. I can add a subtitle. This is a awesome product. Perfect. And add this. So you remember at the beginning there was only two sections, one and two. Now I have added one more section. There's three sections now. And just submit. It saves that section editor successfully. Come here and refresh. And now you see there are three dots. The third one is new product and buy. And if you click here, you land to the new page. The page is completely empty because we had done nothing till now. I'm going to the new product page. I'm going to make this as a product page. To start with, I will add a banner. Check some prefer to add banner always on the top of the page. I will put an image of 1000 by 500. Add. I don't want to put a link on the image, so it will be just an image. Submit. I will just go here, and if you remember in the last session, I would prefer to have padding 0 for the banner so that the banner comes edge to edge. And click on the refresh here. And this is the banner. All right. After this, a landing page could have a product information. Let us put a title here. The title is the title of the page, so there is no such setting. It just says the new product which is configured from here. Okay, refresh and see the title comes here in the center. Perfect. I will add a text layout. I will just add a paragraph. Um, this is all about the new product. And I will just say a big paragraph and submit. I'm not putting any title and description here, just so everything is kind of optional. You want to put, you can. You don't want to put, you don't want to put. This is perfectly fine. So this comes just like a paragraph. If I add a title, that will come just like it come on the home page. If you see the home page, I use the text layout with a title. This time I don't use a title, which is acceptable. And I can always have a section background color. Sometimes it looks nice, putting section background color. Okay. Now, since this is a new product, I would like to have a image gallery probably. Sorry, my laptop charger went down, which is okay. I have enough charge on my laptop. I will add few images and detail about, to showcase the product. So, and I will prefer to put the square images. Oops, I just removed not this one. I will prefer to have the square images, and I have 2 images. I think for submit I should get 2 images. Looks good. And let us see how it looks like now. Close this one. There are 2 images of the product. Somebody can come and zoom and see. I can have more images if I want. So there is no constraint as such that how many images you can put. So if I see, do I have more square images? I have 3 square images actually. Event also. Add. And if I see, I should have 3 square images. I can have 3 more. Let us have few more images. Go to images and add upload images here. So I should have square images. I will add some images from here. Okay. Uploaded 3 more images. All right, I'm just doing the refresh. And 3 is not enough probably to describe the product. I will add few more images. And these are the 505 pixel images I have added. If you see, the name of the image is same as the file name I used to upload. As of now, we don't have a way to rename this, but in future we'll add that option also so that you can rename the images if you want for your better understanding. Okay, now there are 6 images. This looks good. After that, I want to add an image on the about the product, or let's say put an image and a button to ask user to buy the product. So I will use the button banner layout. So before doing that, come back here, go to home page again, and this is the button banner layout which has a text and the button, and it can have an image also on the right or left if I want. So I'm gonna use this kind of image, this kind of layout to show an image on the left and buy now button on the right, pay it or something like that. So I will put the button banner. I will put a square image because that will look probably good. Any square image is 500 by 500 pixel. I will pick this one. Okay, offers. Hmm, Get it soon. Get it now, not soon. So I should use some keyword which should like let the user encourage to buy and put the link to their payment page or something, or maybe if you have an external link you can put it here. And I don't have any of that, so I will just put the buy button and link to one of the page. I'll come back and fix it. Add, submit. So the layout is added. What I will do now is just put some styling cleanup, which means I want to keep it edge to edge. Alignment, I will text alignment, I will keep it center. Subtext, I will keep it as center. And let us see how it looks like now. Okay, so there's an image and there's a text. The text looks really small. Maybe I can make the image little small, come closer to the center, and text little bigger. So I will go here. I will say that okay, instead of putting 00, let us put the same thing that 2 and 10. It was there already. 2 and 10. And let us see what the impact of keeping it 2 and 10. Okay, it makes the things small, which is good, but the padding is there. Padding is there because this is the background color of the section and this is the background color of the button banner. If I can keep both colors matched, then both will go. Yeah, this is perfect match. Okay, so I have a background, there's an image. I can make this image more smaller if I want, but just keep it for now like this and make it a little bigger. Button banner title. This is the title and this is the subtitle. I will want to keep the font size of both text and subtext big. Title I want to keep it like 40 and subtitle I want to keep maybe like 24. Bigger. Right now I don't have an option to make the spacing, extra spacing, but in future I will consider this. Now if I click on the buy, I will go to a page where I have mapped. I can always add a external page also if I want, but I will try it. Okay, let me show you how to add an external page link. So there's an option on the menu that's a bookmark. Bookmarks is a collection of external pages. So I will put one bookmark as by the title is to remember me at least that what is this all about, and I will put a URL as I'm just putting virtubox.io as a URL. Going back to page, after refresh, I will go to new product. Come here, edit, and you see there's a page and there's a bookmark. I will prefer to put the bookmark and remove the page from here and submit. I'll come back, refresh. So when I put a page, the button will take you to that page only. When you put a bookmark, it will take you to the bookmark. The bookmark. Okay, it seems like I didn't able to save it. Okay, this is not removed. Submit. No, not this page. Okay, so this is not removed probably because of some bug again. I will see what is going on. So let us uh, proceed to add more information. So I have added some information about the product, and there's only one image. I can have multiple images in the banner to explain about the product. Edit, add one more image. Do I have? Yes, I have. Refresh. Hmm. So there's a next one right button. Okay, and if I want to edit, customize this color of arrow and underline, so that is called as a pager setting. If you go to style, you will see something like a pager. So there are two colors, both are black. I can put it as a red and I can put it as a, okay, active should be dark in general and non-active should be light. And see how it goes. Okay, so active is dark red and non-active is light. Looks good. Uh, so the product page, right? So the product page should have the questions, maybe like FAQ kind of section. Because if on a landing page someone's come from a Google search or from any other source, they must be having some questions. So I will put a section FAQ and I can call it as no, no, oh, all right. And I will put question that can I buy online? Yes. Okay. Another question. We do not have any option yet. Add, and I'll put a third question as sorry. Mm, do we have do we have free trial? Mm, not yet, but we will add it soon. And I can add more questions like this. I'm just repeating the. I just added another question like multiple colors. No, only black color. I'm just putting some answer and submit. So I've added few FAQ questions for the product page. Okay, I did the same mistake last time also, that forgot to update the color of FAQ questions and answers. Color should be kind of black. Answer color, I can keep it any color I want. Maybe this one. Hmm. Okay, color question answer should be a bit different. I will just keep it like beige color. Okay, and the font size I can keep it a little bigger because I have less number of questions I can make bigger font to fill the page. Refresh. Perfect. So, and then at the bottom I can have another button. Just grab it now or something like that. A big button. To make a big button, I will prefer to have again the button banner layout without any image, without any text, just a button. Okay, title is get it now, and I'll keep okay. The link I wanted to keep it as a bookmark link, right? Buy new product. Add, submit. And let us see how it comes first, and then we will fine tune the color styles. Okay, it didn't came properly because I have missed out something. Okay, this is a bit weird probably. Maybe I am looking at the right page. Yes, maybe because of some reason this is not coming up. I'm just added. Okay, okay, it came up. Probably some reason. So the default UI doesn't look nice, so I'm just gonna fix it by putting text on the center, keep the text little big, clean up the padding stuff, edit, style. I'll move the text to center. I will change the ratio to maybe like 5:1 or something to make it small strip. I will make the padding 0. I will keep the background color something like light blue and refresh. And it's not coming perfect in the center. Seems like it is in the center, 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 center. Okay. The next would be to make bigger fonts. Yes. So this is a button banner, button 1 and button 2. And if you see the mouse over color is red and red border, I will just change some colors this time. Button 1, I will, so there is a button 1 and button 2. I can have two buttons. I will keep the button 1. Border color, I will keep little darker. I'll keep the mouse over color as little orange color or yellowish color. Yeah. Keep the radius as 16. I'm just changing all the settings. I'm gonna see how it looks like. Hmm. Okay, no, cancel. Sorry, not now. What happened? Okay, so this colors has updated. Probably I didn't pick the bright color. With the transparency, I will keep it as a this keep it transparency is supposed to be 100. Hmm. Mouse over and there's the effect, and I can make the title is maybe like 48. It's really big, attractive, and I'm still not sure why this is not coming into the center. Maybe because I have changed some padding, which I'm not trying able to figure it out. Anyway, this is a banner. Looks okay. Because I have a complete landing page which has a action button here. Buy it now, which has another action button here to ask you to buy. Okay, I will just make one more change by changing the font. Last time I missed to show you how to change the font. I will try to change the font at the global level instead of local. So this is a title layout, and I want to change the font of this title layout. This is the title layout, and I want to change the font here. I don't know which font is what. We'll try this one and see. Yes, it did got changed. And if I try some other font, yeah, this looks nice. So I'm keeping the title font here. So the best part of changing at the global level is that it should change all the places. So there was a second page that about us, and the title should have got changes. So since once I've changed the font of this title, I want to change the font of this header part of every section. So there's a header and there's a title of header, and I want to change the font something else, maybe this one. Refresh. Okay, the font is changed. Let me try some other font. I'm not sure how it looks. Good. So I must understand that there has to be a preview here to know what font it is instead of going to page and refresh. For now, we are gonna have this kind of font, but yeah, in future we'll consider having a preview also. Amatic is good, but I will keep it sensation.
Actually,
Yes, tell me.
instead of preview, we can have it like word. In the font name is written in the font style itself.
And the
So that can also be so.
that can work, but this is a global setting. So here we don't have any text as such. So we will probably add a text here, sample text, and all the font color style will be applied here directly.
No. I was talking about something else.
You're
The
talking about the
font
preview page.
style, the name. No, the name of the font, like
That
Roboto is
might
there.
not be easy. That might not be easy for
Okay.
the site.
Okay.
So we will probably have to live with this basic name, but have a sample here. Okay. If we keep a sample, then we can apply the style and we can apply the color also and see what is the impact it's making. Okay. Uh, let's say I want to change the font of the image banner title also, text also. So I think there's an image. Yes, there's an image, there's a cell, there's a third and pager, pages. This is the banner layout. Do I have a banner layout? Mhm. Okay, so this is styling I'm not able to figure out, but I remember it was there somewhere. Maybe I can go to page and see since I'm not able to type it. Okay, this is the about page. I will go to about page. This was a gallery. Oh, okay. And if I go edit the gallery style, this is the image. No, okay. Really, we don't have an option to edit the font of this text right now. So we will add this. All right. Anyway, so I think we are done with this. So today we have made a page, a landing page with where is that landing page? Now let us go to landing page first. Okay. Third. Oh, I'm sorry. The third page. Okay. So we made a landing page. We changed the font. The change of font has impacted the entire project, and we added a couple of UI for buy now options kind of thing to make it complete. In the last 1 minute, I would like to show you the search. So say I want to just search, I will see how the search looks on the website. If I go and click on the search, I should be able to see this is a search result. New product is the page which has a product in it. If I go to search for about, I should be able to see about us and all the three pages. I think I'm done for today. Any question?
Yeah, I have one question.
Yes, Sati.
Can you please go to the interface part wherein you have added a button banner?
On the today's page, right? I will go to new product. Okay. So here is the button banner and there's one more button banner.
Yeah. Go to the edit section.
Okay, I'll go to the edit section.
Okay. So if in case, my mind changes or the requirement is something like I want to change the configuration in such a way that I want to put a background image and I don't want to have any image.
You want to put
So
a
can I do
background
it
image, but you don't want to have an image. Perfect. Let us quickly do that.
in this current setting only?
I understand. Let us try to do that very quickly.
Hmm.
I will go to the third page first to see how it looks like. And this was the button banner, remember? So what I will do is
Hmm.
I will make a copy of this, do the
Hmm.
changes so that I can see both our pages. Okay.
Yes.
So there's an option here to make a copy. If I click here, there are two layouts now. If you go here
Okay.
and refresh, you should be able to see exact two layout of the same type. Perfect.
Hmm.
Now I will
Hmm.
just change the sequence. I will move the FAQ up and button banner down. In this way, I will see a separator in between. Okay, so this is the first layout, this is the second layout, both are exactly same, we just copied. Now if you edit
Hmm.
the second layout, the first layout will not be impacted.
Hmm.
You said that you want to have a image instead of background image. So let us try to put a background
Yes.
image. Okay, I'll put a banner image here.
And I don't want image,
I understand. Let us
just
try how it looks like first, and then we'll remove. Okay, so the image is here. With now the color need to be now black and darkish color. But the other image is also coming up. So
yeah.
just try to remove, edit, and click on remove, and
How did you remove that?
just click on the same but image again.
Okay.
But let's see. Okay, this is not removed because of seems like a bug in this system.
Hmm.
If you go to edit, if you go here and this selected, if you mouse over, it says just press enter to remove. Just click here and it's gone.
Hmm.
This is how we
And
should
then
remove, but yeah,
and
somehow
I have
because
to
of some
submit it.
yeah, just have to submit it. But somehow this
Hmm.
is not getting removed.
Hmm.
Though I have an advanced option to remove it, I will just do it right now in front of you. So the code has the entire data what it is. So I will remove
Hmm.
from this table. The interface is not working. This is a kind of actually a development stage. It's a preview
Hmm.
stage probably, but you can try that. So that was the image. There's an image and there is a background. The background
Background.
image is the one we have added just now, and we want to remove the image. So I will
Yes.
remove double quote image colon number and comma and submit.
Okay.
This is gone. It's gone. You see?
Hmm.
Now we'll quickly fix the UI. So padding should be 0 for banners.
Hmm.
So in general, default padding is set because the other layout looks nice with the 10% padding. But banner doesn't look nice with the 10% of padding. We'll
Right.
remove the padding and we'll make it dark color.
Yeah.
I'll just
So that the
increase the
background image takes the whole space.
right. I'm gonna do it very quickly. Button banner, edit. Now you see that image is gone.
Hmm.
I will go here and I will keep this padding 0 and 0. Refresh. Okay, image has taken full space, but on the left, this is weird.
Hmm.
This is very, very weird. In general, this should not be like this, but okay. If I change the ratio, it did work, but I will just set it back to 2:1 and see how it comes. Okay, sorry, there's some bug. I should
Hmm.
be maybe,
No, I was also having the same thing, so that is why I wanted to
I see,
confirm it from you.
I see. So this is a definitely a bug. I will try to get it fixed.
Hmm.
Okay, I have changed the ratio 16:9 and it's always coming at the left alignment. Weird.
I tried all the ratios, but
Okay, definitely is a bug. We'll try to get it fixed. Okay,
okay. Yeah.
at least let us change the color to dark black or something. If I keep the Bandwidth 10%. Again, it will be in center. Maybe. So
Hmm.
some calculation has gone off. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, so what I will do just to fix this at least, I will keep the light color in the background to keep it looks still okay instead of dark color. Yes, and I will keep
Hmm.
the text color uh, darker text color. Hmm, title and subtitle color. It's kind of black, kind of reddish black. Let's see how it comes. Some of it doesn't look nice still. So, so anyways, you understand that you can just do the changes. I'm not very good in picking the right color, probably.
I got it.
I will leave it to you. Okay, Swati?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Just move the font a little big, but it didn't help anyways because of the color combination with the image. Maybe light color and keeping removing button transparency. Oops, I'm sorry. I really screwed up the colors and everything. It seems. Do I? Okay. Okay, all right then. We are done. Any other question? Last minute? No one. All right, then I will finish this session now and we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I will try to show you the mobile app, that how the pages are looking on the mobile app and try to do more on it. Okay, bye bye for now.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Ashish.
Welcome.